Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the image gallery widget within our content editor. Now to go ahead and demonstrate this, I'm going to go ahead and select the gallery widget underneath media. And from here, I'm going to resize it. So what the image gallery widget allows you to do is it allows you to cycle through images with a transition. It looks very clean when making more advanced content and is a very widely used widget within our content editor. Now, to showcase this and make a little bit more sense, let's navigate to the right-hand side of our screen here under our Properties panel, under Main as well. You'll see that we can add new images into this sort of slideshow that we have here by clicking this plus icon. You can also remove by clicking the minus icon. So to go ahead and select an image to bring into my content editor, what I would do is I would click here on Image, and this is going to open up our file manager where we can choose any of our media assets to upload. So I'm going to choose one here. Perfect. And then let's say that I didn't want to individually select each image like so. I want to use a folder and make it a lot easier to pull in my assets. So I'm just going to click this right here and choose a folder path. From here, I'm just going to select the folder, and you actually have to select the folder and not click into it. And then perfect. This will now start cycling through images. From here, this is much like our image widget, and many of the properties are the same. You can select an animation. However, this animation is going to be the transition between the images when they fade. So you could do fade, but you could also do many others, such as let's say a blur, and that will be reflected on our canvas here. There you are. You could also choose how quickly you want it to ease in and out. And so I could pick this right here. And as you see, it's a little quicker. I can also delay this, and then I can increase the animation length as well. And I can also choose to get rid of this caption. Now, you saw earlier when I wasn't using the folder, each image had a caption underneath it. You can edit it through there, but I'm just going to remove it. And then from there, you can go into our other properties, and you can use traditional animations that can be used with a lot of our other widgets. So let's just choose a pulse. Alright everybody, so that's actually going to be it for our image gallery widget. It's very self-explanatory and simple to use, but just another way to add a little bit more style to your content. So if you have any questions, please go ahead and send us an email at sales@wallboard.info. There are going to be more tutorials coming to this channel, but thank you and see you next time.